In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Galley, Story, and Layout views in InCopy. We're going to walk through what each view shows, when to use it, and the simplest ways to move between them. Understanding these views will make your editing faster, clearer, and more accurate, especially if you're collaborating with designers working in InDesign. Let's start with Galley view. Think of Galley as a text-first proof that mirrors the way your lines will break in the layout. It shows the same line endings you'll see in the final design. And it also reveals overset text, anything that doesn't currently fit in its frame. This is incredibly useful for copy fitting and proofreading, because you can see exactly how tight the text runs, where lines wrap, and whether a paragraph runs long. You'll also get line numbers and styling information, so you can confirm what's applied without being distracted by images or complex page elements. When you're tightening copy to fix overset text or keeping an eye on line counts, Galley gives you precision without the visual clutter. Story view is your distraction-free zone. It streams all your text continuously, ignoring line breaks and the exact way it fits on the page. That makes it ideal for focused editing, reading long sections, or rewriting without worrying about where a line wraps. You still see overset indicators and style details, so you won't lose track of structure, but you won't see page breaks or how the document will print. Use Story View when you want to think purely about language, flow, and clarity. Then switch back later to confirm how those edits fit in the design. Layout View shows your text exactly as it appears in the final design. You'll see fonts, images, frames, graphics, and all layout elements in context, just like in a print proof or a PDF exported from InDesign. This is the view to use when you need to check how a headline aligns with a photo, whether a caption fits its frame, or how paragraphs break across columns and pages. It's perfect for visual checks, final reviews, and making sure your edits support the overall design. Switching between views is simple. From the top menu, open the View menu and choose Galley, Story, or Layout. You can also switch right in the document window by clicking the tabs labeled Galley, Story, and Layout. Pick the one that matches your task. Galley for accurate line breaks and copy fitting, Story for focused text editing, and Layout for full design context.